Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Anuj with us from Novus Hi-Tech. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you very much. Pleasure being here.
Thank you, sir. Sir, can you just let us know, as you know, as we know, Novus is already in the market and it's doing great in robotics and AI market, and is very much known for this technology. So, can you just let us know, from when, viewers want to know, from when you are performing well in this market?
So, Novus Hi-Tech, we've been a leader in robotics, automation, and AI for close to 2 decades now. We have been global leaders in terms of providing various solutions for the automotive, electronics, FMCG, and pharma markets. And recently, about a year and a half ago, we started our solar journey. And the reason for it was that we felt that a lot of this technology, which could have been made out of India, was being imported from China and other parts of the world. So, because we had the talent and the capability to do so, we decided to step into this market. And now we are in turnkey module lines. Through our various partners, we are able to provide turnkey cell lines and also providing turnkey ingot wafer lines, right? And also maintain and support them, indigenize them to the extent possible for all of them. So for modules, cells, as well as for wafer ingot.
That's great. If we talk about specifically for the REI 2025, what are the key highlights? Like what are the product offerings that our viewers can look upon?
So if you will go outside, you will see the automation, the AGVs, AMRs, the AI software, the generative AI software, in order to ensure that the lines that are being run, they become more and more efficient, right? Today is the day and age of AI. So continually, digital twin of your factory can run in software, and you can figure out how do you improve and become more efficient. Those are the things that we are newly sort of showcasing here in REI, apart from the fact that we are system integrators and we can provide turnkey lines for module, cell, and ingot wafer.
That's great. And what are your strategies for upcoming 2026, like future plans in terms of export, in terms of products, in terms of technology?
So we are currently focused on India and Southeast Asia and really providing end-to-end solutions. So, more than a tagline, but a concept for us is blueprint to gigawatt. What that means is that we will help manufacturers from thought to action and actual implementation, and also the upkeep of the equipment to provide the sustained production of their end product, achieving their KPIs. And that is the way we are looking at ourselves, and that is our strategy to differentiate in the Indian market, because not many people are able to do that, because a lot of the equipment is being imported, and because people don't understand the technology to the brick and mortar level, to the atomic level of this, they are not able to support it well also. So we are doing that as a full vertical integrated stack, where we can take from thought to implementation and then production and offer this entire solution.
As you mentioned that Novus has come into the solar industry as well. So as you know, the solar market is very much booming in India itself and is very much fast growing. So how you feel, how much competitive it is, and what all opportunities we can get in the Indian solar market?
I think for players like us, it's an open playground, because right now most of the players are dealer distributors who are bringing in technology and trying to transplant. Where they fall short is, of course, how do you maintain KPIs and OEEs for the end customer, right? So for us, it's a wide open playground. We are already multiple tens of gigawatts in discussion and closures with various customers, large and small, for not just modules but also cell and wafer ingot.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for sharing the information with us. Thanks for being with us.
It's my pleasure. Thank you.